안녕하세요, this is Gia. Today we are going to make beef soft tofu spicy stew. 소고기 순두부 찌개. We made 해물 순두부 찌개 before, the seafood sundubu stew. There are varieties of this stew in Korea, and today's recipe is the one that I often make at home. Let's get started. Cut the zucchini into bite-sized pieces. Cut onion into similar size as zucchini. Then next is button mushroom. Most mushrooms go well with this stew. You may use oyster mushroom, shiitake, or enoki mushroom instead of button mushrooms. Thinly sliced green onion. Chopped garlic, and the chili is optional. Chop or thinly slice it. The vegetables are ready to cook. This is sundubu, the softest tofu, and it normally is packed like this. I'm going to cut it into 1 inch thick. This tofu is very soft and it easily breaks, so be careful when cutting it. In a medium-sized pot, add sesame oil, chopped garlic and green onion, gochugaru Korean chili flakes, and gochujang. Mix all together and then heat the pot over low heat. Sesame oil gives a nice flavor to this stew, but the smoking point is lower than cooking oil, so cook it in a low heat for about 2 minutes, and then add beef to it. Stir fry for about 2 minutes until the seasoning and beef is well incorporated. Add water, zucchini, onion, and mushrooms. Now, you may higher the heat to medium high. When it gets to a boil, skim off the foam and season with soy sauce. Give it a taste and adjust the saltiness by adding salt to it. Now it's time to add sundubu to the pot. Add green onion and chili pepper. I like to add a little bit of it, taste it, and add it more if needed. When zucchini is almost done, you may turn off the heat. Okay, zucchini looks done. So my sundubu jjigae is finished. Don't cook sundubu stew for too long. Once you add tofu to it, just cook for less than 5 minutes. Let me taste it. Spicy, hot, very nice, salty. But I personally like to add a little bit of salt to it. So if you lack sodium, don't add more fish sauce or soy sauce. Finish it by adding 1 pinch of salt. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you on my next video.